Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have all of my makeup done today, less the mascara, because we are going to be talking about my mascara tips and tricks. I'm going to show you first of all how I apply my mascara if I'm going to be using lashes that day, and how it differs from when I'm going to be wearing just mascara for the day, no lashes. So if you guys are interested in hearing my mascara tips and tricks, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hi you guys, so if you guys follow my channel, I post videos every Monday, and you might have noticed that I've been MIA for a couple Mondays. We took the summer off. It's been really good. Sometimes you just need that little break to come back fully refreshed. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I am also almost 30 weeks pregnant. So if you guys haven't seen any of my gender reveal videos or anything like that, I will link them down below as well as in the cards on one of these sides, so you guys can check those out and see what's been going on in my world. But I have some exciting news. So if you don't know, I am a Limelife by Alcone rep, and they are just launching today. It's August the 10th, Monday. They are launching a waterproof mascara. So I know lots of you are going to be super excited about this because you've been asking about it since I started in the whole makeup realm. And I know lots of people like it for weddings. If you don't know, I also do makeup applications for weddings, grads, and special occasions, things like that. And so weddings, there's tears, everyone wants a waterproof mascara for these kind of events. So I'm very excited about this product. I'm also going to share with you guys two other things that I really have been loving at the end of this video. So make sure you guys watch to the end because I think you guys will really love these products. And if you already use them, I would love to hear your guys' feedback on them. So let's get started with my mascara tips and tricks. Okay, so this is just our regular black formula. It is a fiber mascara, Limelife's is. So it's a fiber, it builds the volume all with one step. So it's a nice, easy product to use. One tip you do need to know, and that took me a bit to learn, is that it applies so much nicer if you have it warm. So I've been holding it here for a little bit. Just the temperature of me holding it in my hand warms it up to a perfect, it makes it just glide on so much more buttery. Whereas I used to be in my basement. Right now I'm in my upstairs bathroom. But when I did do my videos in the basement, it is much colder down there, and it doesn't apply as smooth or as voluminous, I find, when it's cold. So that's the only tip you need to know about this mascara as far as that goes. But if I am going to be wearing, say, magnetic lashes, I love my lashes, or lashes with glue, like your typical lashes, this is how I will apply my mascara. All I do, it's so basic. I put on one coat, just your typical, how you would think to apply mascara. And the reason I do it like this is because A, you don't want super thick lashes, because then it's going to be harder to blend it into your strip lashes. And I want to have a very good lash day with just mascara, because we don't always need to be it's a little bit extra to wear your lashes every single day. I don't need to be if we're just chilling at home, you're obviously not going to be putting on eyelashes, but you still want to have really nice looking lashes, very voluminous. So what I'll do is I will take, for the best volume, lift, curl, everything, I will take my lash curler, and this one is actually a Limelife one, but any lash curler you have, and I lay it on my eyelid and curl it back like this. I don't hold it straight up and down. I do back, and then I'll go pump, pump at the base, pump, pump, lift it a little bit, pump, pump in the middle of your lashes, one more time, pump, pump at the tip of your lashes. This way you're going to get a really pretty C curl instead of just a straight up shoot of your lashes. So that is my tip for when using a lash curler. So I'm just going to do that to both eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, another tip I do have that I didn't want to forget to mention is I usually do the eyelash curling step before I apply my eyeliner if I am going to be wearing eyeliner for that day, because from resting your lash curler on your lid, you can sometimes remove some of the eyeliner, which isn't a big deal, but then you have to reapply it. And so it's easier to just do it after, but for the sake of the video, I just wanted to apply it all right now just to show you guys the lash tips. Okay, so once you have your eyelashes curled, remember, pump, pump, middle, pump, pump, the ends, pump, pump. And then you'll have a nice C shape to your lashes. And then what I do, I already have one coat on this lash from the first demo. So I'm just going to go and put a super thin coat of mascara on this side. Okay, and so why I say a super thin coat is because if you put on just a whole big gob of mascara right off the bat, the like wetness of the mascara is going to weigh your lashes back down, very similar to like if you would curl your hair. If you have straight hair, you curl it, and then someone sprays you with a spray bottle, wets it, the curl's gonna flop, right? So if you just put a very thin coat, then it's gonna dry and it's going to hold that curl like hairspray would, sort of. So it's gonna hold the curl of your lashes so that your curl lasts longer in your lashes, especially if you're like me with super straight lashes. No curl to my lashes naturally whatsoever. Okay, so then once that's dry, I go in and I will apply 2 more coats. That's me that's what I prefer. I love 3 coats of mascara. I'll do the same to the bottom as well. So, and you don't have to be as particular with the bottom because we didn't curl them. So I'll go in, I'll put in a coat on a coat, let it dry. So I'll let that dry for as long as it takes for me to go back and put on a second coat of the top. So there's not a lot of drying time in this. It is really quick and easy. But what I also find is when you let your lashes dry, they have more texture to grip the second and third coats of mascara, so you get a more voluminous lash look. So I hope that makes sense. I'm going to go and show you guys in fast time. I'm going to speed the video up and show you guys my second and third coats of mascara, and then my little tip at the end, and then we're going to talk about 2 more products that I am super loving for taking off my makeup. One is for just if I'm wearing like casual every day, I don't have to use any other product, just this one thing. And then my favorite product for removing like waterproof mascara, the new waterproof mascara, magnetic eyeliner, stubborn makeup, a little bit more like stubborn waterproof makeup like that. So I will be right back. So my first coat, just to recap, my first coat, thin coat. Second coat, I will go in from the very root to the very tip. Make sure you have your lashes fully saturated because you have that first base coat on there to hold your lash curl in place. And then the third coat, I mostly focus on the tips and plumping them up to draw the attention to the tips because that's what's gonna make them look more voluminous and longer. And then while my lashes are still sort of like damp, not super crisp and dry or anything like that. And then my super weird trick that I do, I've been doing it looks weird, but it's awesome. I've been doing it since like high school, before I even started using a lash curler. So what I'll do is I'll just take and I'll press my lashes up and look down so that you're holding your eyelashes in a curled position. And I do this for 10 seconds. And then that just amplifies your lift of your lashes and the curl just a little bit more, helps them dry in place, really lifted. So that is my own special like weird Jamie mascara trick. So that is what I do if I'm just going to have a mascara day, no lashes. So my last two favorite products for taking this all off, because we all love waterproof mascara, but nobody likes taking it off at the end of the day. And so one product that I have found to be so amazing for when you're wearing waterproof mascara, magnetic eyeliner, if anyone has tried that, you know how stubborn, how amazing it is, first of all, but how hard it is to get off. Or if you guys use like a waterproof brow product or anything like that, Limelife has this Make Off, it's called, and it's a makeup remover spray. It's not greasy, but it takes your makeup off so slick. So I use those cotton pads that I can't show you because my toddler threw them all over the house. So they're on my grocery list, but you spray, I take 2 spritzes of the Make Off spray on my cotton pad, and I will hold it on my eye for like 10 seconds, wipe off a couple times, and that takes everything off so smooth. So if you needed to do that with your brows or a dark lipstick as well, or a lip stain, anything that's more like long wear, long lasting, that is what I use this for. But then the next product that I have recently, very recently fallen in love with, it is a Norwex product actually. So my friend sells this, Delia. I'll tag her link in the description below. I just recently had a party with her, so I got these free, so even better. And I'm new to Norwex. I know I'm like the only person on the planet who hadn't had all this Norwex stuff, but I got these face cloths with my party rollers, and I love them. And why I love them is because they take off my everyday makeup without anything else. Like, I don't have to use cleanser, nothing, you guys. Water, and that is it. And I was like, no. Like, I have never been able, like, maybe the everyday person can take their makeup off, like, who doesn't really wear makeup. But man, as long as I'm not wearing, like, the magnetic eyeliner or, like, a waterproof makeup product, sometimes they might even, like, if you could try it without, but I just find this so much smoother to take off on my eye, because your eye is something you don't want to be pulling on, right? So I wet this, squeeze it out, and it takes off all my foundation, everything, and I just go to bed. And I love a really easy bedtime routine. Like, I am so lazy at night, almost 5 kids here. Like, I just want something quick and easy. And so I will just do that. I'll put on my Sotox and One Drop Wonder, that if you guys have been following me, you know that has changed my skin's game, because my skin was being really weird a few months back and like dry and crepey, and so I switched to the Sotox One Drop Wonder, and that's all I use for my skincare now. Love it. So I'll put that on to go to bed. So yeah, if you guys do not have a Norwex rep, make sure to look in the description box below, because I will tag Delia's website where you guys can check these out. They're amazing. They come in a set of 3, and I just love them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any other mascara tips and tricks that you guys have that you love, feel free to post them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And if you guys wanted to see any more videos from me, I will tag a makeup video over here, another one over here for you guys to check out. And I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye.